Hello YouTube. Today I will show you how to share the internet connection that's connected to a PC running Windows 7s with the another computers. It may be your friend computer or maybe another computer in your home. Just I will show you how to create your home network with internet access. Okay, there are very simple steps, simple 4 steps. I'm gonna list all the 4 steps and I'll demonstrate them. Let's go through the steps. The first step is IP setting of the Wi-Fi adapter. In this step, we're gonna do the IP setting of the Wi-Fi adapters. Nowadays, most of the laptops come with the Wi-Fi adapters. If you don't have in the desktop, you can buy the network card with Wi-Fi. That's Wi-Fi network card, and you can install it, and you can use the Wi-Fi. We have to do the IP setting for these Wi-Fi adapters, which gonna connect the multiple computers. That's with the computer that's running Windows 7 with another computers. We're gonna connect it through the Wi-Fi. The main internet will be connected to the system that's running Windows 7. Then rest of the computers will be connected to that computer through the Wi-Fi adapters. This is the steps in which we're gonna do the IP setting for that computers. That's Wi-Fi adapter of the computer that's running main internet. Okay. The next, enabling internet sharing to the Wi-Fi adapter in the main internet adapters. The main internet adapter is the thing that's, it may be the broadband, or it may be the landline connections, or dial-up connection, or the portable USB pen drive, sorry, USB internet connection. It will be that we have to enable the internet sharing in that adapter to the Wi-Fi adapters. That's, we are going to connect the multiple computers through this Wi-Fi. We have to enable the internet connection sharing to the Wi-Fi adapters. In this step, we are going to do that. In the next steps, we are going to setting up the ad hoc networks. There's a computer to computer networks. That's Wi-Fi network. In this, we're gonna set up the network through which we will connect the another computer. Okay, the fourth step is placing the network in the right place. That's whether it's a public network or it may be a private network. It's a very important step. That the computer that running main computer, the main internet will be the public, and the rest of the computers we're gonna connect to that computer will be private. That network will be in the private. You have to place that network in the private. It should be public. If you do it private and public, then it's again problems. You won't get connected. Let's make sure that you are going to connect them in such a way that you are placing them in the right place. That's the computer running the main internet will be in the, that's, we call it as, let's just call it as computer A, that server should be in the public network place, and the rest of the computers should accept the network as a private network. Okay, let's start with the first steps, that IP setting of the Wi-Fi adapters. Just make sure that you're gonna switch on the Wi-Fi adapter. That's, now I switch on my Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, that's right click, it's hits here, that's open network and sharing center. Let's click on it. You'll get it on the control panel also, or you just type it network and sharing center. Here, right here we have this. Okay, let's we do the IP setting for this Wi-Fi adapters. Here is option, change the adapter settings. We get all the adapters that we have in our computers. In my laptop I have 3 adapters. That's local area connections, the Wi-Fi network connection, and the ZTE, that's to which I gonna connect it internet. Okay, we have to do the IP setting for this Wi-Fi network connections. Let's right click on it. That's right here we have the properties. Click on the properties. Okay, yeah, the property window came up. Okay, right here we have the internet protocol version 4. We have to use the internet protocol version 4. That's 32-bit IP address. In the internet version 6, we're gonna use the 128-bit address. It's higher versions, let's we use it 4. Okay, let's click on the properties of the internet version 4. Okay, right here we have the properties. This is the IP setting we're gonna do now. Just make sure that you're gonna click on the obtain an IP address automatically. It's best and better way. If you can give the IP address and you can set up all the things. If you have good knowledge, you can do that, but still it's a better way to obtain IP address automatically. Windows gonna do everything, nothing headache, nothing. Just click on the automatic. Okay, we are done with the first step, that's IP setting, we are done. Okay, let's go to the second step, that's enabling the internet sharing of the Wi-Fi adapter in the main internet adapters. Okay, we find that internet adapter there. Okay, right click on that, open network and sharing center, adapter setting. Okay, right here we have this SETI wireless terminals. Okay, right click on it, right here we have the properties, same thing. Okay, please observe that we have sharing right here, sharing, it may be the broadband or any dial-up connections, we get the adapter like this. Just right click on it, properties, then you go to the sharing window tab. Okay, I have already enabled this. I will show you how to enable that. Let's disable that first, just close that, sorry, shit, sharing, disable that. Okay, okay, now I will show you how to enable it to the Wi-Fi wireless network. I don't know what are the connections available, I will show you, right. Okay, see, we have the two connections, that local area connections or the wireless network connections. Now we are running through, we are going to connect the another computer through wireless network connections. We can also connect to the local area connections. Let's, as we are going to connect multiple computers, we have to use the wireless network connections. Okay, let's click on the wireless network connections, just click on this allow another networks. Okay, and the setting all that get changed and it's saved for the wireless adapters. Don't do anything with the Wi-Fi network adapter setting, then just click right click. Okay, just click on the OK. Okay, we are done with the second steps, that's enabling the internet sharing. We have enabled the internet sharing for the Wi-Fi adapter. Now second step is setting up the ad hoc network. We have to set up the ad hoc network now. Okay, let's right click on that, internet, same thing, same steps. Okay, right here we have the setup a new internet connections or a network. Okay, now we are going the ad hoc network. Okay, click on that, right here we have, it's here, network setup wireless ad hoc, that's computer to computer network. Okay, click on next, next. Okay, give a name, let's give it internet. Okay, I've done. Make sure that going to select VEP, VEP. Okay, I selected, then key the key 1 2 3 4. I will give it 1 2 3. Okay, I'm done. Anything you can give, it's a security code. If it will prompt for the password when you another computer tries to connect it to you, then you have to give the password, then only you're going to connect. Okay, if you want to save this network and you want to use it again, then click on save this network and just press next. Okay, now it's setting up the internet network. If you have any problem in this, that's it. You one thing, you are not turned on your Wi-Fi adapter. On the second thing, you maybe have the problem with the Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, just click on the close. Okay, we're done with the third process, that's setting up the ad hoc networks. Okay, now let's move on to the is placing a network in a right place. Okay, see, it's here, we have waiting for a user disconnect. Here we have again, if you want to connect it, then right here we will get the options, just click on connect, just turn on the Wi-Fi adapter, just click on disconnect, it will get connected automatically. First you have to run the ZTE, that's whatever the main internet connections, then you turn on the Wi-Fi adapter, then your friends can access this. Okay, in the network and sharing center, when you connect it, you will get here, that's the it will only prompt you to select the network place. Make sure that you're gonna select the server in the public and the rest of the computers that gonna connect to it will be in the private. Make sure you should do it, if not you won't get the Wi-Fi with internet access. I'm repeating again, that's first computer, that server, the main computer that running the internet connections will be in the public and the rest of the computers we can connect will be in the private. Okay, thank you for watching.